Arthur, are you playing Steal a Brainrot on my iPad?
Oh, sorry, but I got you berry cappuccina.
No, I want the strawberry elephant. Go play somewhere else.
I gotta play real Steel Brainrot. Perfect for catching brainrots. Aina, you are mine. Yes! Ballerina Cappuccina. Woohoo! Which one next? I'm so lucky. Now I want to get chimpanzee panini and chicken cake alone. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
Oh, I want strawberry elephant.
Strawberry elephant, that's the best one. Oh yeah, baby! Cool, I got all the brainrots.
Brainrot, you said?
Yeah, I got so many, look!
Real brainrots? That cannot be. You even got the strawberry elephant!
Can you guard them? I need to go to the toilet.
Okay, sure.
Thank you.
I also want the strawberry elephant. What if I just take it?
Where are my brainrots? Avelina!
Yes, Arthur?
What happened to my brainrots?
I wanted a strawberry elephant, and then I opened the cage, and then they all ran away.
What?
Sorry, Arthur. I'll not do it again.
It's okay, I will catch them again.
I'm so sorry, Arthur.
Don't worry. Wait, do you want to help me?
Yes! You're the best brother ever.
Are you copying me?
Are you copying me?
Oh no, not again!
Oh no, not again!
I'm working, please.
I'm walking, please.
I need a babysitter. Hello? I need a babysitter. Yeah, any is fine. I need it fast. Thank you. Bye.
Hello, I'm the babysitter.
But Amelia! Come in.
Okay, thank you.
Please take care of Arthur. He needs to play, eat, clean, and sleep.
Got it. Come, Arthur. We're gonna play.
Stop!
Huh?
Yay!
I'm tired. Let's eat.
Okay.
What is this?
It's a banana.
You don't have any candies?
There.
Could you get some for us?
Okay.
What are we doing?
Nothing.
Babysitter, Arthur needs to eat his fruits.
But I don't like eating healthy. Ew!
I need another babysitter.
Yes? Okay, coming, Dad.
Okay, thank you. Oh, already? Hi, Avelina. Good that you're here. Can you make sure that Arthur eats, cleans, and sleeps?
Of course. Why are you guys not eating fruits? They're not tasty. Eat your fruits now. Okay. And
Tasty.
good. And now we clean this mess together. Okay.
Wow! Arthur played, he ate, and now they're cleaning. Kids, did you finish cleaning? Kids? Whoa! I love babysitters. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening, family. How can I help you? Hey, those are my customers.
Oh, we would like to eat something.
Excellent. I have a lot of choices for you. Please sit down. I also have fresh food, not from a machine. My machine makes all the food fresh, but it's from a machine. Ew. My machine is not ew.
Ladies, no need to fight. We'll go for the restaurant.
Excellent choice. Please sit down. Hello, here's your menu. Would you like already some fresh juice?
Thank you. Yes, that would be nice.
Did you make a choice, sir?
Yes. We would like the chicken with potatoes and one pizza to share.
All right, coming up.
You don't need to write it down?
No, I will remember it. Don't worry. All right. Wait, what did they want again? I think they had a rice soup and salad? Yes. Are you sure you guys don't want any of my fresh food? It will be done immediately.
No thank you. It's already being prepared.
It's almost ready.
Oh, food is almost ready, guys.
Okay, who had the soup?
We didn't order soup.
Huh? Oh no. Well, who had the rice?
No, we didn't order any rice.
Oh no. And what about the delicious salad?
No, sorry. I really would like a pizza to share and a chicken with potatoes.
Sorry. It will come soon. Oh no. How do I get food fast? Oh man. Oh, hello. What's up? I made a mistake. I need some food. Can you help me? You were not so nice to me. I'm sorry, but can you please help me? They're hungry. Alright, I'll help you. What do you need? Yay! Thank you. I need pizza and chicken with potatoes. Sure, coming up. And here's your pizza. Thank you. And the chicken with potatoes. Thank you. Enjoy your dinner.
Thank you.
And is it tasty?
You're an excellent cook.
Well, actually, it was her food.
Oh, thank you. Tomorrow we'll visit your restaurant.
Thank you. Thank you so much for helping me. You're welcome. But you will do the same for me, right? Of course. I really want those candies. But how do I get them? You know what? I'll just ask nicely this time. Hi, Akim!
Oh, hi, Amelia.
I was wondering, can I get those candies?
Let me think. Nope.
You like gaming, huh? Do you have the new BOGO game?
Of course.
Cool! Me too! Do you wanna play?
Sure, I will beat you.
Ooh, so confident! If I beat you, can I take your gumballs?
Sure.
Nice, but here's mine. Let's fight? Okay.
Fight!
That's all you got? Watch this.
The winner is Amelia!
Oh no! Well, that was easy. And now that thing is mine.
There, Amelia. Did you want to play again? I have more candy.
So if I win, I get more candy. And if you win, you get this back. Deal! Easy peasy! Ready to get beaten again? Oh no!
Oh yeah!
And the winner is Akim!
Do you want to play again?
No!